People can be extremely judgmental when someone looks different, but today's transformation is a reminder that beauty comes in many forms. This is a new bride. She wants to get married, and this young woman has that excessive hair growth on her face. Something that has made many people stare, mocked, or even misunderstood over years. But look at this beautiful transformation right here. This is a reminder that honestly, kindness matters and confidence matters, humanity matters. So be kind to everyone you get to come across. Look at her, she's so happy, such a happy bride. And the makeup artist had to do all the trimming before applying the makeup, and she looked so good. Now, this is pure creativity at work. Instead of using expensive barber tools, fine, he's a barber, okay. So this barber comes up with a unique idea of using a simple shoelace to section his hair to try to create a clean haircut line. Yes, you can see the level of precision and patience going into this process, from measuring the angles carefully to making sure that both sides stay even. And this is actually a smart and innovative move. And if you're trying to learn how to make styles like this, I think you should try using this shoelace or something similar. And sometimes talent is not about having the most expensive equipment, it's just about knowing how to use what you already have. Here is trying to put the spray, the dye that makes the hair come back and covers up those patches. And here he has already washed it off to show us that it is not it doesn't come off when your water touches it, for those who fears that. Then this beautiful transformation here, let's watch as this stylist installs the frontal lace wig that turns into a sleek, beautiful ponytail look. The process started with prepping the natural hair properly like we saw, and making sure everything is laid flat and neat underneath. Because it is a ponytail, there is no need making the hair because they are going to pack all together. This step is very important because it helps the final hairstyle look smooth and natural. Then they kept the frontal, used the necessary glue. The stylist places the lace, aligns it perfectly with our hairline. And this is the end result we got. The baby's hair, no baby's hair, just edges, and they were carefully done. Honestly, this is another beautiful video to see young students learning valuable skills like this at such an early age. These students here are learning wig making, and here they are understanding the wig cap placement to properly sewing and styling the hair. Can you see how this student here is sewing the frontal to the wig, after which they are going to do the necessary trimming. You can see that they are focused, patient, and dedicated. They are carefully practicing each step. Learning hair a beauty skill is more than just fashion for many people. It becomes a source of income, independence, creativity, and even future business opportunities for these ones. They are so proud of